Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting radical equation which we'll be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation first. We have radicand x plus 8 and x minus 8. Both should be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. So from first inequality, we will write x should be greater than or equal to minus 8. From second inequality, we will get x should be greater than or equal to 8. After taking intersection of these two conditions, we will get x should be greater than or equal to 8. If x is greater than or equal to 8, then we will have real solutions. Now we have to use substitutions. First fourth root x plus 8. Suppose this is a. Second fourth root of x minus 8. Suppose this is b. So we can write our first equation a minus b equal to 2. Now we will write our substitutions. Fourth root of x plus 8 equal to a. By raising power 4 both sides, we will get a power 4 equal to x plus 8. Similarly, we have fourth root of x minus 8 equal to b. By raising power 4 both sides, we will be able to get b power 4 equal to x minus 8. Now we will subtract second equation from first one. So we will change the sign also. Let me write here minus, minus, plus. So plus x minus x will get over. In LHS, we will write a power 4 minus b power 4. In RHS, we will write 8 plus 8, which is 16. And this is our equation number 2. So we have two equations. A minus b equal to 2 and a power 4 minus b power 4 equal to 16. Now from first equation, if we will find the value of a minus b equal to 2. I will take minus b to the RHS and write a equal to b plus 2. Now we have second equation a power 4 minus b power 4 equal to 16. Now we have a equal to b plus 2, which we are going to plug in over here. We will get b plus 2 whole power 4 minus b power 4 equal to 16. Now we have to expand b plus 2 whole power 4. So we should know the expansion coefficients. So I will use Pascal triangle over here. For whole square, coefficients will be 1 plus 1 is 2. Then we have 1. For whole cube, 1 would be as it is. We will add 1 plus 2. We will write here 3. 2 plus 1, we will write 3. For required power 4, we will write 1 and 1 as it is. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 expansion coefficients for b plus 2 whole power 4. Let us expand. We'll write here b plus 2 whole power 4 minus b power 4 equal to 16. Now coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So 1. We will write b power 4 plus 4. 4 times b cube times 2. Then we have 6. 6 times b square times 2 square. Then we have coefficient 4. We'll write 4 times b times 2 cube. Then we have coefficient 1. We will write 2 power 4. Then we have minus b power 4 and right hand side is 16. We can cancel plus b power 4 with minus b power 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We'll write 8b cube. 6 times 2 square. 6 times 4. 24. We'll write 24b square. 4 times 2 cube. 4 times 8. 32 times b. Then we have 2 power 4, which is 16, equal to 16. Now we will take all the terms to LHS. We will get 8b cube plus 24b square plus 32b plus 16 minus 16 is 0. So we'll write equal to 0. Now 8b is common. We'll write 8b. In the bracket there would be b square plus 3b plus 4 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So we will write either b equal to 0 or this quadratic expression should be equal to 0. B square plus 3b plus 4 equal to 0. Let us take quadratic equation first. I will find discriminant. So let me write b square plus 3b plus 4 equal to 0. We will check whether roots are real or complex. So let us find discriminant delta. This is equal to b square minus 4 times AC. B is coefficient of small b, that is 3. So we'll write here 3 square minus 4 times A is coefficient of b square, which is 1 here. C is constant 4 here. So we'll write 9 minus 16. Our discriminant is coming out negative 7. Discriminant is negative. We will get complex solutions from here. So we can reject this quadratic equation as we are looking for real solutions only. So the accepted one would be b equal to 0. Once b is 0, b was substitution 4th root of x minus 8. This was b. So I will write here 4th root of x minus 8 equal to 0. By raising power 4 both sides, we will write here power 4, 4th root and power 4 will get over. We will write x minus 8 equal to 0. By adding 8 to both sides, we will be able to get our first and only real solution, x equal to 8. Now we are going to verify our solution. So I will write here check and x equal to 8. As per domain, x should be greater than or equal to 8. So it is true. Let's begin from left hand side. 4th root of 8 plus 8 minus 4th root of 8 minus 8 will be equal to 4th root of 16 minus 4th root of 0. 4th root of 16. 4th root of 16 can be written as 2 power 4. 4th root of 0 is 0. We'll cancel 4th root with power 4. We'll be getting 2. And 2 is our right hand side. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 8 is true solution. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.